Hey guys, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. We're going to be unboxing today the SR-FS system. This is the 42U FS series rack from Strong. And you saw in our previous video, the 27U, this is just a larger size. Alright, see what we got. You guys see us using this rack all the time. The main reason I like it is because it comes fully assembled and ready to go. All we have to do is adjust our shelves to the height that we need it at, and we're good to go. It has all the side panels on it. Built-in fans. Really well built rack. And Snap AD does a good job of wrapping this guy up, make sure it doesn't get damaged in transit. Alright, so this is what we have, guys. Comes ready to rock and roll, and what we do is we'll take all these panels off so that we can do our wire dressing, and then we'll put it back together whenever we're done. What I like is that they pop right off, so just right here on the front, there goes your front door. Same thing for the sides, just a couple little push buttons, and it's off like that. And then within about 60 seconds, you're going to have a bare rack, which is what the custom series looks like. Just like that. And if you look over here, this particular model, the FS series, does have the fans built in already, so we don't have to do that. And it has shelves and the vents. And you can also order additional shelving and vents depending on the particular project, but this is kind of like a one solution fits all for most of our projects. I hope you guys found this informative. If you'd like to purchase this product or have questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater.